Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to remove oxidation from your headlights. If your headlight looks hazy, cloudy, or oxidized, there are a few items you'll need to polish your headlight to make them looking new again. First, you need clear coat in a can. Next, you need alcohol pad. Next, you need a coarse sandpaper and fine sandpaper. The lower the number, the more coarse it is. The higher the number, the more fine it is. And of course, you need microfiber cloth as well. Let's begin. Before you wet sand your headlights, first determine how cloudy or oxidized your headlights are. If it looks extremely oxidized, you want to use a coarse sandpaper, but if it doesn't look that oxidized, you can now start with a fine sandpaper and work your way up. Next, clean your headlights with soap and water, then make sure to rinse it off afterward. First, make sure to wet your sandpaper. Next, make sure to wet your headlight. Next, you want to wet sand your headlight going in a horizontal motion. Be mindful that you do not scratch your bumper, your hood, and your fender. You can always use newspaper or magazine and masking tape, and you can use it to cover your hood, bumper, and fender. As you can see, some progress was made. Next, I'm going to use the fine sandpaper. Next, wash off the residue on the headlight. Next, make sure to wet the new fine sandpaper. So you want to sand the headlight for about a minute or two until it looks extremely cloudy. By cloudy, I mean this. If it looks extremely cloudy, that means you're making progress. Next, rinse off the headlight. Now I'm going to use ultra-fine sandpaper. Again, when wet sanding the headlight, make sure to maintain a steady motion going horizontal. So this is how the headlight looked like after wet sanding it from using coarse to fine and then ultra fine. So as you can see, there is a major difference. Next, wash off all the residue. Next, use a microfiber cloth and dry the headlight, because if the headlight is still wet, the clear coat is not going to stick to it. Next, use an alcohol pad and start wiping down the headlight. By using alcohol, this will ensure all the residue are removed. If you don't want clear coat to get everywhere, you can always cover the hood and bumper and fender with masking tape and newspaper. I don't have any masking tape on hand, so I'm just going to be cautious how I spray the clear coat. Apply the first layer of clear coat by spraying in a horizontal fashion. Allow the clear coat to dry for about 5 minutes. Next, apply the second layer of clear coat. Again, be careful how you spray the clear coat. Make sure to spray in a horizontal fashion and make sure to not overspray. So this is the result after using 2 coats of clear coat. As you can see, there is a major difference. If you like, you can also spray the third coat, but that is optional. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.